Hi, myself is S.K. Singh, commonly known in the industry as S.K. Singh only, and I'm representing here Sequel Logistics. I'm working there as a National Security Manager. Sequel Logistics is a company who carry the high value moments, high value gems and jewelry, critical logistics. Our vision and our mission is displayed on screens. We have our own setups, mix of the outsourced vehicles as well as our own vehicles, mixed of the outsourced security as well as own security manpowers. We look risk from this perspective that there should be a cause for any kinds of the risk and what will be the consequences. Risk is measured in terms of the impacts as well as the likelihood. For example, if you take an example of the hijack of a trucks, as we deals in the high value cargo, gold and bullions, there are more possibility of attacks on our vehicles or peoples while they are on the fields. So what types of the controls we are having? We believe that your control should have deterrence, it should have the power of delay, you should have the capability to detect it if it happens. Then you should have the capability of respond if it's happened on the road or anywhere in the field, and then you should have the good manpower, good contacts to recover it on timely. Because gold is such a commodity that if you are not recovering, you are not responding on time, it's going to be melted and you are not going to get it back in the same form as it was. We maintain the high security, we design the high security policy, we maintain the high security procedures. We ask for the customized technology solutions as per our security requirements from our service providers. We put the formal contracts, conditions also in our agreements when we are outsourcing some services of security as well as the vehicles. And we, for our truck security, for vehicle security, we maintain the TAPA truck security requirement which has been shown by Mr. Nandi, 2012 version. As well as for our facility security requirement, we follow the TAPA FSR requirement. And whenever we have to park somewhere our vehicles on the roads, we try to maintain that TAPA PSR security requirement. We have our own security command center, so after hiring the technology from the telematics company, we took the controls in our hand. We keep our manpower to monitor, to respond, to coordinate, to communicate with the law enforcement agency, to the patrol party on the highways. So there is no chances of or there is less chances of the leak of the information because the information security is the vital part of our business. We have the trained personnel to ensure alertness and safety. We have documented emergency response procedures which we keep testing again and again as the peoples keep changing. New peoples are coming in the systems to know that how seriously they are implementing it. There are you can see the serial number 2.1, 2.3. There are some clauses of the TAPA TSR 2012 versions which we have already implemented in our fleets. We have the two-way communication systems, we have the tracking system, we have the satellite navigation system, silent alarm systems. When anyone is opening that door, the alarm is coming, we are monitoring. If anyone trying to break the locks or temper the seals, we are getting the alarms. We are having the track and trace coverage of our consignments when it's moving in the networks. And then we are having a scheduled routing. The persons and vehicles have to follow that scheduled route only, he cannot take any other routes. In case of any emergency, if he has to take, he has to first inform to the Security Command Center that because of this reason, I am diverting my route. So we are having in advance the information and we have to alert to all the patrol party, emergency response team that particular vehicle is in today's date, this time for this region is taking the another routes. This is a case study which is launched by September 2011 by Tata Motors team. It's a Gold Plus is a brand of Titan Industries where they launched the Golden Nano car, which we have been awarding, which we are serving since last 6 months. And this Gold Plus car is being displayed in the various locations in the southern regions of AP, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and some parts of the Maharashtra. And we are the carrier for this. You can imagine when it was launched in the September, the value of this car was approximately 22 crores. And it's not that we are shipping from one place to another place and that's the finish. We are again picking up after 3 days or 2 days and again moving to the next location. So the lot of information is moving in the press, media as well as the peoples are knowing that this car is going to move that particular locations. So a lot of the risks are involved there. So to carry it, we have done the proper route risk assessment, we have the technology, we have the mix of the manpowers as well as the law enforcement agency, and we are able to carry it. So that is a short and sweet. I will not take much more time. If you are having any questions, please. Thank you.